The Buick Enclave is a vehicle that embodies the perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and practicality, making it a standout in the competitive SUV market. Since its introduction, the Enclave has been a symbol of refined elegance and family-friendly functionality, catering to those who seek a premium driving experience without compromising on space or versatility. It is a vehicle that speaks to the modern driver, offering a harmonious balance of style, technology, and performance. As a flagship model for Buick, the Enclave has consistently set high standards for what a luxury SUV can be, and its evolution over the years reflects the brand's commitment to innovation and excellence. One of the most striking aspects of the Buick Enclave is its design. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Enclave exudes sophistication and modernity. Its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette is complemented by bold lines and a commanding presence on the road. The signature Buick grille, adorned with the iconic Tri-Shield emblem, immediately signals its premium pedigree. LED lighting elements, both at the front and rear, add a touch of contemporary flair while enhancing visibility and safety. The Enclave's design is not just about aesthetics, it is also highly functional. The carefully crafted exterior contributes to improved aerodynamics, which in turn enhances fuel efficiency and reduces wind noise, ensuring a quieter and more comfortable ride. Step inside the Buick Enclave, and you are greeted by an interior that is nothing short of luxurious. The cabin is designed with meticulous attention to detail, featuring high-quality materials such as soft-touch leather, genuine wood accents, and brushed metal finishes. The spaciousness of the Enclave is one of its most appealing attributes, offering ample room for up to 7 passengers across 3 rows of seating. Whether you're embarking on a long road trip or simply running errands around town, the Enclave ensures that everyone travels in comfort. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide excellent support, even during extended journeys, and the available heated and ventilated front seats add an extra layer of comfort, regardless of the weather outside. Technology is another area where the Buick Enclave truly shines. The vehicle is equipped with an array of advanced features designed to enhance convenience, connectivity, and entertainment. The centerpiece of the dashboard is an intuitive infotainment system, complete with a high-resolution touchscreen display. This system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone for access to navigation, music, and other apps. The Enclave also offers a premium sound system, delivering crystal-clear audio that transforms every drive into a concert-like experience. For families, the rear seat entertainment system is a game-changer, keeping passengers entertained on long journeys with movies, games, and more. Safety is a top priority in the Buick Enclave, and it comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies. Features such as forward collision alert, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert work together to provide peace of mind on the road. The Enclave also includes a surround view camera system, which offers a 360-degree view of the vehicle's surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. These advanced safety features not only protect occupants but also help prevent accidents by alerting the driver to potential hazards. Under the hood, the Buick Enclave delivers a performance that matches its luxurious demeanor. Powered by a robust V6 engine, the Enclave offers ample power for both city driving and highway cruising. The engine is paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission, ensuring a refined and responsive driving experience. The Enclave's suspension system is tuned to provide a comfortable ride, absorbing bumps and imperfections in the road with ease. At the same time, it maintains a level of agility that makes it enjoyable to drive, whether you're navigating winding roads or cruising down the interstate. For those who prioritize fuel efficiency, the Enclave offers a capable engine that strikes a balance between performance and economy, making it a practical choice for everyday use. One of the standout features of the Buick Enclave is its versatility. The vehicle is designed to adapt to a wide range of lifestyles and needs. With its spacious interior and flexible seating configurations, the Enclave is equally suited for family vacations, daily commutes, or weekend adventures. The third-row seats can be folded down to create additional cargo space, making it easy to transport large items such as sports equipment, luggage, or furniture. The power liftgate adds convenience, allowing you to access the cargo area with ease, even when your hands are full. For those who frequently tow, the Enclave offers a respectable towing capacity, making it capable of hauling trailers, boats, or other recreational equipment. The Buick Enclave is more than just a vehicle, it is a statement of sophistication and practicality. It appeals to a wide range of drivers, from busy parents who need a reliable and spacious family vehicle to professionals who desire a luxurious and comfortable commute. The Enclave's combination of style, technology, and performance makes it a compelling choice in the luxury SUV segment. It is a vehicle that not only meets the demands of modern life but also exceeds expectations, providing a driving experience that is both enjoyable and rewarding. Over the years, the Buick Enclave has earned a reputation for reliability and durability. It is a vehicle that is built to last, with a focus on quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. Owners of the Enclave often praise its long-term value, noting that it retains its appeal and functionality even after years of use. This is a testament to Buick's commitment to producing vehicles that stand the test of time, both in terms of performance and design. In addition to its practical attributes, the Buick Enclave also offers a sense of exclusivity and prestige. Driving an Enclave is a statement of success and discernment, reflecting an appreciation for the finer things in life. It is a vehicle that commands respect on the road, not only for its striking appearance but also for its reputation as a leader in the luxury SUV market. The Enclave is a vehicle that makes every journey special, whether you're driving to work, taking the kids to school, or embarking on a cross-country adventure. The Buick Enclave is also a reflection of Buick's commitment to innovation and sustainability. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, Buick has embraced new technologies and practices to reduce its environmental impact. The Enclave is designed with fuel efficiency in mind, and its advanced engineering ensures that it meets stringent emission standards. By choosing the Enclave, drivers can enjoy the benefits of a luxury SUV while also contributing to a more sustainable future. In conclusion, the Buick Enclave is a vehicle that truly has it all. It combines luxury, comfort, and practicality in a way that few other vehicles can match. Its elegant design, advanced technology, and impressive performance make it a standout choice in the competitive SUV market. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly vehicle, a luxurious commuter car, or a versatile SUV for all your adventures, the Buick Enclave delivers. On every front, it is a vehicle that not only meets the needs of modern drivers but also exceeds their expectations, providing a driving experience that is both enjoyable and rewarding. The Buick Enclave is more than just a car. It is a testament to the art of automotive excellence, and it continues to set the standard for what a luxury SUV can be.